coming up now, we've got Flapjack, then the Reds, and then, interestingly enough, you might just want to stick around a little bit after Reds because I hear the Typhoon pilot's just going to take a sneaky look at the seafront before he lands a film. So back to you, that's the latest update.
Well, next we are going to see one of the great iconic fighters of the 50s and 60s with the Royal Air Force. They say if it looks right, it flies right, and the Hunter is absolutely one of those aircraft. This one is quite different to any other that you will have ever seen. It has an extraordinary colour scheme, which is like a kaleidoscope of starlight. I think part of the orientation that Jonathan had for this aircraft is uncovered squadron colours or whatever. Now, I've had the pleasure of flying up.
ये जहाज है खड़ा रखा ऊपर जो है elephant
ride it well, it will give you one hell of a ride. A great machine, an absolute
maximum possible rate of turn, turning the aircraft in its minimum possible radius, turning the aircraft on a sixpence. I'm running towards the crowd centre again for another Canadian break. There he goes. Continues around that top, narrowly missing a bird there. Looks like a big barrel roll, this. And you'll notice that this year the aircraft are sporting a very spectacular livery. This year, as we all know. And whilst the aircraft are painted to commemorate two Battle of Britain fighter pilots who went on to become commanding officers of 72 Squadron, the scheme is a tribute to all those ground and air crew who fought in the Battle of Britain. And Tom completing a wing over now for his final pass. As he goes past, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see him show us the top surface of the aircraft by using the stick and rudder. As he goes past,
environmentally friendly on dealer. Every time they pass in front of you, look, because they're going to do something completely different. This is flying circus at its very best. Now just imagine, ladies and gentlemen, there they are, doing 140 miles an hour, waving for. Opportunity for you to take part in the round there on the left-hand side. We have Martin Harrington and Stella. Just stand on the ground now and try that. Where you are on the beach, see if you can do it without doing it at 140 miles an hour. Okay, now remember, every time they come around the corner, they'll be doing something different. Anything you've got, throw them up in the air so they can see you. Keep watching. Every time they make that turn and come back into good, got quite a strong on-crowd wind today, which makes it quite difficult, quite bumpy for them. There goes that wonderful smoke now. Just take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. What are they doing? My goodness, upside down. Look at them. Once again, they're doing it upside down. Unbelievable. And they push off the bottom of the well, and I can tell you once I put my money where my mouth was and I stood on the top of the wing. They rotate again and I can tell you it's a truly bizarre sensation because surprisingly you can't actually see anything in front of you. You appear to be suspended in space with all these G-forces, both positive and negative.
Go on.
I've got a great deal of time. Coming in once again from the right, look, every turn. There it is, a different position now. They're at 90 degrees. Can you imagine the 6 degrees? And sideways. Right down at 90 degrees. That was a tremendous amount of power from those stomach and back muscles. Absolutely amazing. If in doubt, go down there on the beach, get a couple of chairs, put your head on one side of the chair, your feet on the other, and see if you can hold yourself up. Here they are coming in once again to the stern. There they are, 90 still at that joint. Right to left, look at that line of stern formation. Just below the smoke line, Dave Farrell there with Martin Carrington as his number 2. And Dave Farrell, a great character, he's been flying for a considerable length of time, but not quite as long as Martin Carrington. Martin Carrington is a young lad, but he's got thousands and thousands of hours of what we call tail wheel time. These aircraft with a fixed undercarriage, 2 wheels at the front, 1 at the back. Dave Farrell there starts Martin Carrington coming in behind him. They're quite close. touch hands, ladies and gentlemen. This is the trick of tricks. They're coming in underneath each other. Their body character going up. They're only about 3 or 4 feet apart now. Even at this limited time, touch hands, and yes, they're there. They're up. They've got it. I don't believe it.
Wow.
Touch hands, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Right up higher, that's another. And that's a really tremendous amount of force to try and hold your leg against. Let me give you an idea. If you weigh a modest 10 stone and you're pulling 4G, well, you weigh 40 stone. Yes, 40 stone. That is your weight in the ring. Okay, turning around then, left and right.
I have to say though, Brendan, these girls are just unbelievable. Well, I hope you enjoy this. Even if you're not watching it, this is just entertainment at its best. It's in the air, it's over performance, it's beautiful.
I can just about bend down to do my shoelaces up, George.
Well, especially today. You're a bit of a crib today, aren't you?
There you are.
Yeah. Now, I was going to ask you, did you have to get your leg up as well when you did your practice?
No, George, it was down because I felt it slowly. You can see the induced drag now. It's lining up. What's going to happen here? This is always an indication of tremendous wind blowing at the moment. They're doing a fantastic job. They've got themselves up high, so I'm wondering what they're going to do. I don't know how to guess. I think maybe it's the roller coaster. It's a back-to-back barrel roll. It's a fascinating manoeuvre. I remember flying this years ago for the first time. You get a wonderful view. You've got the stroke trail in front of you. There's Martin Carrington. In the box with this one. Actually, it's all out. Watching the other aircraft. And as ever at Bournemouth, we have the old and the new, the fast, the slow, the modern, and the it's fast. Look at that thing every now and then, every time they come past, they're going to do a turn. Really hard to switch. I'm almost being thrown off the commentary board here because I'm outside. I love to be out of the air, and I love
Well, I'm glad that's all it is, actually. That's yours. Marvellous. Well, Joe, did you know Danny has got a Okay, well, this is a real pleasure to have you with me now. This is high-tech flying. How do you guys get these things? Thank you very much, George. It's very nice to be here. As you see, flying is now Captain High-Tech. This is what we say a lot of mistakes, but what we do. Minor thing is called a high tackle, and all everything together is making push high-tech. Well, he's certainly coming with a high-tech approach. That's a high-tech thing. So obviously a lot of upgrades.
Yeah, there's a lot of upgrades. So right now we are flying the version basically what it is together with other countries. We're not going to win. Comes out square turn. What he's doing, he's flying actually a square in the air. Every time he's going the wrong way. Well, we can see all the people here. The aircraft is orange, and on top of the aircraft you see the Dutch line. It's basically depicted in dark orange. We have a stand here as well. It's just on the actually 800 meters of the bottom. You don't have a lot of airflow to make the adjustments you really need. So he's doing a great job, doesn't he? Yeah, it's going pretty good now. It's going to set himself up for the mid-radius turn now.